nsogbu dio. Agwọ nọ n'akịrịka. Onye Igbo Bola share this video. Ayaga na mmiri ncha aba anya. There is snake at the rooftop. This is about Ifechukwu Dennis, the guy that Bayo Ononuga posted yesterday that he cloned voice of the president. That is the fake AI voiceover that involved VeryDarkMan. Do you know that guy is innocent? He only shared the video, but he was picked up by the BBC. Now, the main gist is that they were actually two involved that a tech expert tracked down. One Yoruba guy by name Peter Taiwo and Ifechukwu Dennis. DSS allegedly picked up Ifechukwu Dennis, the Igbo guy, and left Taiwo, the Yoruba guy. Please, make it make sense. Make it make sense. Now, the tech expert who did the investigation is now out, saying the truth that it wasn't even Ifechukwu Dennis that made the video, that he only shared it. Please, my darlings, watch this video for more clarity.
A very big update on the case of this VeryDarkMan's video. So I made a video and I traced down some couple of people that I thought made the video. I got one person, Peter Taiwo, then I got Ifechukwu Dennis, and that video went viral. I'm just so yesterday, Ifechukwu Dennis' family reached out to me that some unknown men came to his workplace and arrested him. And so I sent a lawyer to DSS office in Abuja today to confirm the arrest, because I don't want to make any video without actually, confirming that truly it was DSS Abuja that picked him up. Only for me to, somebody sent it to me now that Bayo Onanuga, that's the spokesperson of the president, just put up a press conference that, and I'll put it on this video, that Ifechukwu Dennis has been arrested by the DSS. So, and I'm seeing my video just underneath it. I'm the one who did the investigation. You should reach out to me. Like, why would you arrest a young man without understanding the full details? And the video that you used there, I said it in the video. I've made follow-up videos. At least reach out to me. I did the investigation. So his family has been on phone with me. I've sent money to lawyers to go to DSS. And tomorrow, I'm going to be paying lawyer to go to DSS office again. We will bail him out. But like, why won't you reach out to me? I did the work. So I did an investigation. I brought somebody out. And you go and pick the person up without even listening to the full video. Because in the full video, I've done further investigation that he's not the one. Of course, we can punish him for spreading false news. But he's not the one who created the video. And Bayo Onanuga again posted that he's the one who made the video. He didn't make the video. He didn't make the video. Right? I'm going to be, making more videos about this, because I've spoken to his mom, I've spoken to his wife, I've spoken to people in his family yesterday. I didn't make the video because I just didn't want to come here and say DSS arrested somebody without confirming. So I paid the lawyer today to go to DSS office. But why would you go and pick somebody up? You guys didn't do the investigation. I did. Why didn't you reach out to me? My handle is everywhere. My email is everywhere. My phone number is everywhere. Why didn't you reach out to me? So I'm not going to let it slide, because again, Bayo Onanuga, the spokesperson to the president, you cannot just arrest people like that. Okay, he spread the video, but then you went out and posted that he made the video. How did you know that? I did the investigation. You guys didn't. So I'm going to be making more videos. I've been talking to his family. This guy can be punished for spreading it, but don't put it on him that he made the video. He did not make the video. He did not.
You see the injustice against Ifechukwu because he is Igbo. You see why I was warning our brothers not to join any Yoruba protests in Southwest. They must rope you in as scapegoat when Kasala bursts. Make it make sense. You people should make it make sense. A Yoruba man and an Igbo guy were mentioned in Femi Unfiltered's investigation concerning that fake audio about Tinubu, going by the names Peter Taiwo and Ifechukwu Dennis. DSS reportedly rushed and arrested Ifechukwu and left out Taiwo. Uno, broad daylight injustice. And they are begun at this country. Now the investigator is saying Dennis is innocent. You didn't even confirm well from the investigator, but now don't rush, track down Ifechukwu Dennis sharp in Benin. Why can't you lots use same energy to find all your missing children? 2 persons were mentioned though. 2! Yoruba and Igbo. Still only the Igbo was arrested with the accusation pinned on him. Tomorrow someone will look at me and start preaching one Nigeria to me. Come on, Ozo. Come on, Ozo. DSS free Ifechukwu Dennis. He is innocent. And consult Femi Unfiltered for his full analysis. All DSS can arosa Ndịgbo. DSS law come as Nnamdi Kanu. Another person on that DSS, Dennis Ifechukwu isn't the only person that shared that voice over. He was not the only person. Get ready to arrest all the wrong influencers that shared the voiceover on X. Free Dennis Ifechukwu DSS, free that boy, Ndojo, free him. Narala, free him.
Don't forget, if your children do not know how to speak Igbo or solve mathematics properly, bring them into my academy. If you're seeking for proof of funds assistance, come, I'm going to help you. If you want to learn how to create content and edit videos, I am also here for you. We have lands available for sale across Igbo regions. Send me a DM. And if you also want to travel for your work visa and student visa, I am also available. See you in my DM. Bye.